Hi friends, in this session we will learn about the test cases and test scenarios and how to write test cases and test scenarios. So we will discuss in this session. So before going to write the test cases, so we need some application. So here I have created one application. So that is Indian Post, and this is called login page. So in this login page, I have some web elements are present. So that our username and password text box and login and cancel button. Here checkbox is there. So here I have created some links, forget password and create account. So these all we call as a web elements. So coming to test scenario, so here verifying the functionality, login functionality is the scenario. So and test cases means, so actually according to the requirement, username should accept only the character 6, which is alphabets, and here we will give the valid password and invalid valid data. So if we give valid data, it will go to click on login, it will go to home page. So if we enter negative cases, that means numerics and a combination of numerics with special characters, and if we give here a valid data, it should not go to home page. So that is test cases. So test cases have many steps, and test scenario is a single line, and it is coming to test cases, it is a steps in this test cases a lot of steps, multiple steps are involved in test cases. And another difference is test scenario is we'll write the test scenario from the requirement document. So coming to test cases is derived from the test scenario. So based on the test scenario only, we will write the test cases. And test scenario means what it will tell what to test. So test scenario will tell what to test, and test cases will tell how to test the application. How to test the application means, so in this text box, how many ways are there to test the application. So now we will see manual test case template. So here the project name is postal, and the module name is SSC, and assigned by Satya and team lead Kishore. So like this, I have entered some names. So we need make sure you should give the test scenario ID. So here I have given test scenario 01. So test scenario description means verifying the login functionality. So this is the login functionality. So preconditions are website. So Indian Postal website.com, this is the website I have used to test that application. So test case description, verify with the positive values. So initially I am verifying the application with positive values. So steps to proceed. So first step is enter the values in username and password with positive values. So here I have given mail and password. So what is the expected result? So home page should display. So initially you need you should write all these things. So after that, developers will give the application, then you need to test that application, and you should compare both actual and expected. If both the results are matched, then you have to keep the status as pass, otherwise you need to keep the status failure. So if you can also give the bug ID. And the test cases 2 is verify with the negative values. So so steps to proceed, enter URL and enter the valid username in username text box, enter invalid password in password text box, and click on login. So here I have given valid username and invalid password. So here this is the maximum ways to test the application, means or the attribute. So this is native test cases. So like this we will write all the test cases based on the scenario. So this is the scenario. So you can see here there is only one scenario. So based on this scenario we have written more 3 test cases. And coming to next scenario, verify the buttons and the links. So here we have buttons, some buttons are there, so login and cancel, and here we have links are there, so that we need to check. So this you can keep the test case ID as 404, and test case description means it is an action. So that means you are performing an action on the web element. So click on the cancel button, no action. And so what is the expected result? Should be in login page. Should be in, that means when I clicking login button, so it should be in login page. So when I am clicking on forget password, it should navigate to one different page. So here I am clicking, so it is navigating to another page. So like this, when I click on login button, so it should be in login page only. So that is the expected results. And when application is developed, then we will check actual result is and accept actual result and expected results are both the same or not. We will check after getting the application. So like this we will write the test scenarios and test cases, and with the help of test scenarios we validate the functionality of an application, and need less time to prepare to write. So test scenarios we can write within short time, but whereas test cases it will take lot of time. So see here, so to write this scenario it will take very less time. So coming to this test case, so it is taking a lot of time. So there is a major difference between the test scenario and test cases. So thanks friends, thanks for watching.